देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज और सम्राट अशोक जैसा राजा था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ हर 50 मील पर रूप, पहनावा, मजहब बदल जाता था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया को पाया जाता था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जिसे अपने भूगोल से पहले इस ब्रह्मांड का भूगोल समझ आता था। A very warm and pleasant good morning to honorable chief guest, teachers, professors and all students present here. This is Vaishnavi Mishra from Sri Manas Inter College, Vishumpur Rao Barrage. Today I will be speak on this topic Panchakran. On his ninth consecutive speech from the rampart of Red Fort, honorable PM Shri Narendra Modi ji said it was a historic day for India. In combination of 75 years of independence was the time to step forward for a new direction with new resolve. He said we should focus on the five resolve. Number one, the resolve of developed country. Number two, removing any trace of colonial mindset. Number three, taking pride in our legacy. Number four, the strength of unity. And the last of number five, the citizen of our duties with honesty. In this context, it is necessary that every youth of this people to understand this context and explain the message of our Prime Minister, sir, which Honorable PM Shri Narendra Modi termed his five resolve to secure a developed country in 25 years in till 2047. The first resolve is developed country. The journey of India starts from the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, a centenary of independence as India's Amrit Kal as defense a developed country in 2047 in Vishwaguru. We will work hard for India's progress. We will work together to make India's better place to live. The second resolve is we will work together. The second resolve is we protect the unity and integrity of India. We will make India united, no matter where we are, what we are, because we all are one Indian. The third resolve is we will make India self-sufficient. We should make our own product and solution to depend on other countries to make India self-sufficient in the world. The fourth resolve is we will make India's leader in the world. We will make our own aim, and in every area we will make India strong and successful in every area like education, science, technology, economy and all other things. We want to be a leader in the world, and the five resolve is we will all citizens of this country to need to carry out their duties with honesty and to be a responsible citizen. These are five resolve to make India better and developed country in the world. We will work hard for India's progress and India's economic to the highest in the world. When I talk about this topic, so I cannot talk about the heritage tourism, about Char Dham, about Golden Temple, about Haji Ali Dargah, and the beautiful churches of Goa. These are heritage tourism generate the revenue of our country to make India better, developed country in the world. When I talk about this topic, I can see two aspects. The first aspect, how we connect India to itself, and the second aspect, how we connect India to other countries globally. Because NASA has been reported this created the sound of rotational earth is home, and we have been worshipping landscapes, lakes, rivers since ages now. These are culture born out of the geography of India. When I talk about this topic, developed countries, so I cannot talk about our youth people, because we all are know we have the most population in the world, and this is not our weakness. This is the power of our, because the youth of our country to make India develop in the world. And in the last, I want to say, सीखने वाले हमें सिखाने वाला कौन है, भारत के भविष्य को निखारने वाला कौन है. हनुमान तो है यहाँ, जामवंत यहाँ कौन है, भारत के भविष्य को निखारने वाला कौन है. भारत की समृद्धि है हम, कि भारत की समृद्धि है हम, नए भारत के उज्जवल भविष्य का बीज है हम, पर इस उज्जवल भविष्य के बीज को सींचने वाला माली यहाँ कौन है, भारत के भविष्य को निखारने वाला कौन है. कहते तो सभी हैं युवा भविष्य है भारत का, कि कहते तो सभी हैं युवा भविष्य है भारत का, पर उस भविष्य को सींचने वाला माली यहाँ कौन है, भारत को निखारने वाला यहाँ कौन है. अब हस्तिनापुर भी यह कहती है कि हम नए अर्जुन लाएंगे. अब हस्तिनापुर भी यह कहती है हम नए अर्जुन लाएंगे. अब तुम ही बताओ विदुर प्यारे, बिन दौड़ अर्जुन कहाँ से लाएंगे. इन द लास्ट आई वांट टू से जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम.